Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have an FAO coin set from Sao Tome. Sao Tome is SAOTOME. The FAO is the Food and Agricultural Organization, which is part of the United Nations. This is a 5-coin set issued in 1977. There is no mintage available for any of these coins that I'm about to show you. The 5 coins I'm about to show you are the 100 Dobras, which is D-O-B-R-A-S, the 250 Dobras, the 500 Dobras, the 1000 Dobras, and the 2000 Dobras. So D-O-B-R-A-S is Dobras. Right, the first coin here is, you chose the COA, the country and the year. On the reverse, is that the right way up? Whoops. Let me just check. Yep, this is the right way up. It's a bit small, that coin, for me to see with my normal eyesight. It is a bird on a fruit tree of some description. It doesn't tell you the fruit tree when you look at the site New Mister. It doesn't actually tell you what type of bird it is, and you have the value of 100 Dobras on the bottom. The second coin in this 1997 series is the 250 Dobras. Again, you have on this side the coat of arms, and with the supporters to the coat of arms, which are the supporters, I believe, from what I can gather from the New Mister site, are the items on the edge of the actual coat of arms. And the year. Again, you have a bird on a branch of a tree, which according to the description is a fruit plant, although it doesn't tell you which fruit plant it is. But again, another nice coin, and another one of these FAO series of coins. The third coin in the set is the 500 Dobras. This is a slightly different shaped coin, more aligned to our 20 pence, I suppose. It's about the same size. Maybe it's slightly bigger. Again, you've got the coat of arms with the supporters plus the year. And on this one you have, there's birds with a cane plant, but let me just have a look. And yep, you have a bird which is not easy to see. Whoops, come on, give me a pointer. Which is just about here, and they're on a sugar clay. They look like they're on super long sugar cane or small palm type canes. Again, there is no mintage for this coin. The final 2 coins are the 1000 and 2000 Dobra, and and they're a very similar shape to the coin that you've just seen. And on these two I do want to just check what's on the back. Right, so on this one again you have the coat of arms of Sao Tome along with its supporters and the year date. On the reverse, this is the first of the two that doesn't actually show animals. This is a national flower, or one of the flowers that's grown naturally within Sao Tome. Again, when I checked with New Mister and other websites, no one could tell me the actual name of the flower or the plant. Again, this is a very nice set. I believe there is one more FAO set as well from this country, which I'm going to be looking for. And finally, the biggest of the coins, which is the 2000 Dobras, Again, it has the coat of arms with its supporters plus the year. On the reverse we have, let me just have a look at that. We have a fruit plant. It could be apples or plums or something like that, or maybe some soft fruit like plums or apricots, or it could be an apple. It's very difficult to decide what the actual thing is, and it's in this central round cartouche. You've got the fruit there and you've got the flowers on this side. You have the value at the bottom. Again, there is no mintage for this coin, but I believe this was a coin I saw on a couple, oh excuse me, my manners are appalling there, I do apologise. The coin that I saw, I believe, was this one, and I saw it on another site. I'm not sure whose YouTube channel I saw it on, but I did see it, and when I did the research I found out there was a whole set and I was able to get them, which is what I've shown to you today. So that's the last coin. Coins are now safely housed back in their bag, waiting for me to be able to put them together into a flips and into my collection. I hope you've enjoyed this particular video. I thought these were 5 lovely coins, and I'm looking forward to trying to find the other FAO set. If you've enjoyed this hunt, could you please give me a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're one of the 50% or so of people who are not subscribed to my channel but regularly watch the videos, I would be delighted if you decided to join me. Again, it doesn't cost you anything, and if you feel I deserve your support, and please subscribe to the channel. For those of people who are having a coin hunt, I hope you can find the coins you're looking for. For those who buy coins, and I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. Or should I say, a minimum of 4 videos a week. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.